start the game.
I gotta leave them up, Jackie. I guess I'm the lead man.
Alright, man, he ain't dropped his username, so. Hey, Joe, whenever you're ready to drop your username in the comments, I'm waiting. I did. Okay, I don't see it. Type it again, bro. I don't see it. I see.
Stop it.
I see. Can I play? Why? Can I play too? What is it? I just did it. Or about me? I did. I sent it twice. I did. Probably got filtered. But you keep saying twice. Just saying your username again. Remember, we're not just on your time. We on people that's watching my stream time too, man. Yeah.
Think about the kids.
Think about the community.
Or whiskey and politics for the youth. That's what our party is.
Oh, it's hard.
Or bourbon. Let's make bourbon great again.
Hardpoint locked down.
Going on our friends and I want to make whiskey great again. Hey, you just saved my life.
You're welcome.
Somebody's about to kill me. Whiskey online. Capture the whiskey.
Joe, I'll put my username in the comments. YJ Airsoft.
Hardpoint lost.
They call me YJ Whiskey.
Yeah. So after this game, I'm gonna go to my friend request, and hopefully you're the top one, and you can join. Jose.
Oh, that's one man. I got to use 14 grades. She goes 6-1.
We've taken the lead.
It's Sandra. Alright, I got you username.
She goes 6-1. Like I said,
Hardpoint identified. Capture the objective.
watch. I'm about to watch those 6 boy.
Hardpoint locked down.
There's one coming. Oh shit.
Capture the hardpoint.
Tried to warn you, boy.
Damn, he came in and busting. He want to come back. We're not allowing that to happen. We're not allowing that. Get him, Pookie. Bite him in the ass.
Well, I ain't gonna like I was shooting him that time.
Damn it.
Hit him with the revolver.
Ah! Damn it.
Hey, what the fuck gun he got? What was that? I he can Hey, sit down, you dipshit.
These boys coming back.
Hostiles have the hardpoint. Destroy enemies counter
Bro, I only died because his I'm dying. that dog. Get that dog.
Hostiles have captured the hard point.
I'm lagging, bro. This is getting bad. I'm lagging so bad I can't even aim down sight how I want to.
Hard point is ours. Let's go. Hard point is ours.
Hell, in my right, let's go. This is all. Get the fuck out of here, baby. Oh, shit.
Hard point locked down.
I was trying to camp upstairs and it just made me fall down.
Be advised, hostile predators. Hard point lost. Hard point is ours. Hostiles have captured the hard point.
Come on, guys. We gotta show up, and show out.
Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Hard point is ours.
Come on, guys. 6 more seconds. That's all we need. That's all we... Spray up the door.
Recon standing by.
Jeez. Michaela coming in with the GGs. I see you with the... I know you got that. I see you with that. And you know I appreciate that. Guys, Michaela farted in her wallet and call that gas money.
Nice work.
I got your username. I know, Joey. We got you now, Joey. Everything's gonna be okay, Joey.